Hey, welcome. Andrew here. I want to show you some material with the displacement of extreme PBR Nexus. As you can see, it's really simple. Just apply the material and activate the displacement in just 2 clicks. The displacement makes the materials much more realistic. And it is a feature that is much appreciated. This feature has been present for 4 years now and is constantly evolving. You can adjust it to your liking. Let's try a chip material that simulates an electronic board. We can subdivide to get more details. Here is land with some vegetation. Right now we are in cycles render. And I'm using displacement in modifier mode. You can also use it in micro displacement mode, with the advantages of texture paint. If you have textures with bump or displacement maps, you can import and create your material on the fly and then activate the displacement. If you are interested in extreme PBR Nexus, you will be able to use your own textures. With the Shader Maker tool, you can create the material to apply to the object. This feature is very powerful. It is one of the most important of extreme PBR. The stone walls will be rich in details by activating this function. The pavers category will also have a lot more detail once displacement is turned on. All texture-based materials in the Extreme PBR library can have displacement. Thanks for watching.